Hi guys, we are drafting the torso foundation. This video we're focusing on the back. In our previous module we already drafted the front. Now it's time to do the back. So the first thing you should have done already is open up your basic back sloper. I have mine here, and right off the bat in figure 1 I'm noticing that they're just working on the right half, so I can actually get rid of my left half. So I'm going to use this selection tool up here, the transform pattern A, and actually I don't want to do that, I'm sorry. I want to do the one underneath it, the edit pattern. So we're going to edit this pattern, and I'm just going to click and drag, I think right here. Well, that's fine for now, all the yellow part, and I'm going to say, I think I could actually hold shift and just get this neck part too, and then this bottom waist, and then say delete. Oh, nope, that was too much. Okay, I'm gonna hold shift and undo that. Should have just trusted my gut. Didn't do it. Okay, and now say delete. Perfect. So it just deleted it right onto center back. And what we should do is actually select that guy and then right click and then say unfold symmetric editing with sewing. I guess we can do that the last step, so let's not do it right now. Okay. So back to figure 1, they want us to trace this, get our pattern ready, which we have. They're having us label this, our waist at the side, little point right here, X, the letter X. So this guy is going to be the letter X. We're not going to draw it here. We're just going to remember. And they want us to draw a slash line as illustrated. And they say don't slash it until later. So in the illustration, they have like the number 2 inches right here, and a line that goes straight up, just somewhere in the mid armhole. They don't really specify where. So for us, I think we're just going to draw an internal line. By now, are you getting a little more comfortable with CLO? Do you know which tool can draw internal lines? It's the keyboard shortcut G, and then they all kind of sit on top of each other. There's like internal line, internal rectangle, internal ellipse or circle, and they even have a dart tool too. And they all just kind of sit on each other in the same space. So you can hit the letter G if you want. What if I'm kind of hovering and I can see, if I'm about 2 inches away, I'm going to right click. Oh, that didn't work. There we are. You know what am I on? Yeah, line, okay. It's kind of not really letting me click exactly on here, so maybe what I'll do to start is just add a point here. So it's, the book and the illustration says 2 inches. Gosh, 2 inches is pretty far, but that's okay. So I'll right click it, say 2 inches, say okay, just so I have that kind of segment point as a guide. I think will be helpful. Okay, so now I can hit the letter G, or just go over here and get my line. And I'll click on that point and just straight up to about here is fine. And I can hit return. Okay, well that actually completes figure 1. So hopefully that was pretty easy for you guys.